In this video, I'll show you how to delete your Amazon account. It's going to be a full guide video. So open up your Amazon account, click on this U option. Once you click on it, click on account and wait for it to open up. Now scroll down. Once you have scrolled to the down, what you're going to see now, you're going to see the close your Amazon account option. So click on it. So once you have clicked on it, what you need to do now, you need to carefully read all this. So once you're deleting your Amazon account, I think you're deleting the profiles of all these. So you need to move down, you need to scroll down. So now what you need to do, you need to click on this yes, I want to permanently delete my account. Click on it. Then you're going to also choose the reason why you want to delete your account. So you can choose any of these reasons. Once you are done, you're going to see close my account. So click on it. Click on close my account. You're going to be able to close or delete your Amazon account. If you found it today, I appreciate your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you in the next video.